Hello children, how are you? I hope you are doing well. You all are in 4th standard now? Yes, I am your science teacher, KLVT teacher. Okay, now you see your science lesson, the first lesson, going to school. Okay, we'll start the first lesson, going to school. How you go to school? You go to school by rickshaw. Some children go to school by bus. Some children go with their parents. Yes, we all use different means of transport to reach school. Now let us meet some children and see how they reach school. Now you see the picture. See the picture. Some boys are walking on the bridge now, bamboo bridge. Yeah. It rains so much where we live. Sometimes after the rain, there is knee-high water everywhere. But that does not stop us from getting to school. We hold our books in one hand and bamboo with other. We quickly cross the bamboo and rope bridge to reach school. Now see the picture. Some girls are walking on the bricks. This you can do. This you can try. No? Yes. Collect some bricks. Lay them on the ground in a line as shown in the picture. Try walking on them. Was it easy? Make a small bridge by tying 4 to 5 bamboo poles together. You can take the help of your parents for this. Okay. Do you think it would be easier to walk on this bridge barefoot or with shoe or slippers? Why? Just turn the next page. See the picture. Now see the picture of trolley. Have you seen this? Yes. Every day we have to cross the river to get to school. The river is wide and deep. There is a strong iron rope across the river on both the sides. It is tied tightly with a strong trees or rocks. There is a trolley, an open box made of wood, attached with the rope. 4 or 5 of us can sit in the trolley. A pulley helps the trolley to move across the rope. We reach the other side of the river in a short time. So observe the picture. Now see some pictures are given there down. 1 and 2 in the pictures. Children are pulling the buckets from the well. Have you seen? Well, कुआं होता है ना, कुआं ऐसा पानी खींचते हैं हम लोग. Yes. Can you tell the difference in both the picture? देखो दोनों पिक्चर में क्या डिफरेंस है. Which would be easier, using the pulley or not using it to lift things? Which one is easier? Yes, the second one. The second one is easier to lift the things. Look around you. Where all do you see the use of pulleys? List them. With the help of the pulley, try and lift various things as shown in the picture. Next page. Cement bridge. Have you seen the cement bridge? Yes. We often need to go across some water bodies, so we use bridges. These are made of cement, bricks and iron rods. The bridge may also have steps. How this bridge different from bamboo bridge? You have to see the picture and answer this question in your own words. Okay. How many people do you think can cross the bridge at one time? You have seen how children use different kinds of bridge to cross the rivers and other uneven areas to reach school. If you had a chance, which bridge would you like to use? Bamboo bridge or cement bridge? Which bridge would you like to use? Why? Do you have to cross any bridge on the way to your school? If yes, what is the bridge like? Whether it is bamboo bridge or it is cement bridge, what bridge? Find out from your grandparents what kinds of bridge were there when they were young. Yes, go to next page. Is there any bridge near your house? Find out more about the bridge. Where is the bridge? Over water, over a road, between two mountains, or somewhere else? Who all use the bridge? Is it used by people on foot and also by vehicles and animals? Does the bridge seem to be old or is it new? Find out what materials are used in making this bridge. List some of them. See, all these questions you have to answer. You can take any bridge or any what experience if you have crossing the bridge anytime. If you had any experience of crossing the bridge anytime, so you can answer accordingly. Okay. Next, draw a picture of a bridge in your notebook. Do not forget to draw the train, vehicle, animals or people who cross the bridge. Imagine what difficulties there would be if the bridge was not there. Think and answer. Let us find out some other ways by which children get to school. Vellam. In some parts of Kerala, we use vellam, small wooden boats, to reach school. Have you seen any other kinds of boats? Yes. Can you think of other ways by which we can travel on water? Yes. If you know, you can write the name. The place is given there. So just write the names which we can travel on water. Next is camel cart. Yes, camel cart. We live in the desert. Those people who live in desert, yes, there is a sand all around. It gets very hot in the day. We ride in a camel cart to reach school. Have you ever sat in a camel cart or a horse carriage? Tonga पता है ना? हाँ. Where did you climb on it yourself? तुम खुद ही अकेले चढ़ गए हो टोंगा पे, कैमल पे? हाँ. Or did someone help you? Did someone help you for this? Yes. Just you write your answers here. How did you feel riding in the cart? Also share your experience in the class or with your parents, with your friends. Okay. Next you see very common. See the next picture. This is very common and this we can enjoy. Everybody can enjoy this ride, right? Bullock cart. We ride in our bullock cart going slowly through the green fields. If it is too sunny or raining, we use our umbrella. All these bullock carts where we find in the village. सिटी में बहुत कम है, लेकिन विलेज में हर विलेज में तुमको ये देखने को मिलेगा. ये ऐसी बुलक कार्ट, कैमल कार्ट, ऑल दिस यू कैन फाइंड इन द विलेज. अच्छा, कभी बैठे हो इस पे? हाँ, गुड. देन हाउ डू एनिमल्स फील व्हेन मेड टू पुल द कार्ट? एनिमल्स को कैसे लगता होगा ना जब ये खींचते हो लोग कार्ट? हम तो एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, बट एनिमल्स को कैसे फील होता होगा जब उस पर बैठते हमको खींच के लेके जाते वो एनिमल्स. नो, यस, यू हैव टू डिस्कस दिस, थिंक ओवर इट. एनिमल्स को क्या फील होता होगा जब भी हमको वो लोग लेके जाते, वो लोग कैसे फील करते? दैट जस्ट थिंक एंड जस्ट राइट डाउन. डू यू हैव बुलक कार्ट्स वेयर यू लिव? Does it have a roof? What kind of wheels do they have? Make a drawing of a cart in your notebook. Camel cart or any cart, bullock cart, एक पिक्चर ड्रॉ करना है. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज बाइसिकल राइड. यस, बाइसिकल राइड ऑल्सो इज एंजॉइंग. मज़ा आती ना बाइसिकल राइड करने को? यस. वी राइड अवर बाइसिकल्स ऑन द लॉन्ग रोड टू स्कूल. At first, girls here did not go to school because it was too far. बहुत दूर रहता था ना गांव में कहाँ रिक्शा नहीं था, वैन रिक्शा जैसे तुम अभी जाते हो, वैन रिक्शा. गांव में ऐसा था क्या? नहीं था. चल के जाते या फिर साइकिल से जाते थे. ओके, बिकॉज इट वॉज टू फार. बहुत दूर होती थी गाँव में स्कूल्स. बट नाउ ग्रुप्स ऑफ 7 to 8 girls easily ride even through the difficult roads. Can you ride a bicycle? If yes, who taught you to ride? Write down there. How many children come on bicycles to your school? Yes, turn the page. All these answers just write down in your rough notebook. Okay. Next is जुगाड़. What a vehicle. देखा है इसे? बैठे हो कभी? This is जुगाड़. Okay. Look at a special transport. It sounds put sound. देखा है? Put होता है. When it runs. Is it not something special? The front looks like a motorcycle, but the carriage at the back is made out of planks of wood. बहुत अच्छे से डेकोरेशन करते हैं, इसमें लाइटिंग होती है, बहुत सारा डेकोरेशन एंड द पेंटिंग वर्क, इसको बोलते हैं जुगाड़. डू यू हैव सच व्हीकल इन योर एरियाज? व्हाट डू यू कॉल देम इन योर एरियाज? वुड यू लाइक टू राइड इन समथिंग लाइक दिस? व्हाई? कैन यू टेल व्हाई इट इज़ कॉल्ड जुगाड़? क्यों इसको जुगाड़ बोलते? सोच के लिखना. ओके. The jugaad has been made by putting together parts from the other vehicles or machines. For example, tires, engine, wooden parts from different things. That is why it is called jugaad. Putting all together, पूरा जुगाड़. ये लाओ टायर्स लाना, engines, wooden parts सब मिला के एक जुगाड़ बना के vehicle बनाने का. Why don't you also try to make something new by putting together parts from different things? Can you think of a place where none of these vehicles can reach? Yes, there are such places the vehicles can reach. Now, children cross the jungle. See the picture, how they cross the jungle. We have to go through a thick forest to reach school. At some places, it is so thick that even sunlight does not pass through. It is also very silent there. You can only hear the sounds of different birds and other creatures. Have you ever been in a thick jungle or any such places? Yes, if you have seen, if you have experience of these such places, just write down there. Write your experience in your notebook. Can you recognize some birds by their sounds? Can you imitate the sounds of birds? Do it. कोयल देखा है ना, कोयल को हम भी ऐसे ही कर सकते हैं ना कोयल का. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड इमिटेट. जैसे बर्ड्स का भी, बर्ड्स का आवाज़ सुन के हम लोग भी सेम आवाज़ करेंगे ना, वो हमको भी रिप्लाई देते हैं. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड इमिटेटिंग. मूविंग ऑन द स्नो. सी हाउ वी रीच स्कूल. We go to school through miles of snow. We hold hands and walk carefully. If the snow is soft, our feet sink into it. When the snow is frozen, we may slip and fall. Have you ever seen so much snow? Where? In films or somewhere else? Write down there. Do you think that such places have snow all the time? Why? All the time snow. पूरा साल में snow रहता है. क्यों? Because those hilly areas, ना, cold places, that is hilly areas. All throughout the year there is snow. Now rocky paths. Rocky paths मतलब पूरे पत्थर, जहाँ माउंटेन जैसा रहता है, पूरा पत्थर रहता है ना, हाँ, that is called rocky paths. We live in the mountains. The paths are rocky and uneven. The children who live in the plains will find it difficult to walk on this, but we can easily race up and down. No matter whether there is a dense forest, farms, mountains, or snow on the way, we manage to reach school. Do you face difficulties on the way to your school? Which is the best month in which you like to go to school? Why? Go to a ground or an open space with your friends. Act the way you will walk in this situation. The ground is made up of soft and smooth rose petals. The ground is covered with thorns. Thorns मतलब काटा, पूरा काटा बिछाया है, उस पे चलना है. And there is tall grass on the sides. The ground is covered with snow. Was there a difference in the way you walked each time? Discuss. Next page from children's pen. Now see that no punishments. Failed in the rest, 30 rules. Fooled around the test, 15 rules. Homework not done, 8 rules. 30 rulers. Nails, teeth, dress not clean, 30 sit-ups. Having fun in class when teacher is out. Stand on one leg for 2 hours. Not back in class after the recess. Stand on the bench with your hands up in the air for 1 hour. All these are punishment. We don't give you punishment because you all are very good children. Okay, no punishment for you. Here, talk about it. Do you have punishment in your school? What kind of punishment teacher gives you? But why teacher gives you punishment when you make mistake? And you need that. Punishment is very good, you know. You get, when you make mistake, you get a punishment. Do you think that punishment should be there in school? Is punishment the only solution to misdeeds? Make some rules for school to prevent misdeeds. Draw a picture of your dream school in your notebook and write about it. So you have to draw the school and write about your school. Thank you.